How to take clear dental photos before sending them to your Wonders Clinic dentist. First things first, use your smartphone and ask someone to help you take the photos. Don't take selfies. Selfie cameras flip left and right. Make sure you're in a well-lit room, or you can switch to your phone's flashlight. It works perfectly. Also, make sure your shots are close, sharp, and clear. It's very important to send your Wonders dentist a total of 8 photos. The first 3 photos will focus on your head and face. Make sure both your head and shoulders are visible in each shot. Photo 1, face the camera straight on, relaxed, no smile. Photo 2, face the camera again, this time with a natural, subtle smile. Photo 3, turn to the side at a full 90-degree angle so your jaw and ear are both clearly visible. Now for the remaining 5 photos, which are all taken inside the mouth. Before you start, wash your hands thoroughly. You can also use plastic spoons to gently pull back your lips and cheeks. They make the whole process so much easier. Photo 1, a straight-on shot of your front teeth. Bite down naturally as you normally would. Photo 2, the right side of your jaw. How to take that shot right. Place the spoon on the right side to pull the cheek back, then snap the photo up close. Photo 3 will focus on the left side of your jaw. Repeat the same steps. Spoon on the left side, pull back, and take the photo from a close angle. Photo 4, this photo will focus on your upper jaw. The steps are super easy. Tilt your chin up, open your mouth wide, and capture the full surface of your upper gums. Photo 5, the last photo will focus on your lower jaw. Tilt your chin down, pull your tongue back, open wide, and take the photo. And that's it. You now have everything your dentist needs for a thorough remote assessment. At Wonders, we make the complicated simple. Nothing is too hard with Wonders. Wonders Dental Clinics, Egypt's leading dental implant center.